O sige na, kung busy ka, lumakad ka na. Huwag ka nang ano dyan, mag-time para bumarisa ka ng baba ka. Take your time, minutes. May kita, I'm gonna bump it to all. Or on the something dangerous. I'm gonna bump it to car again. I'm gonna bump it to car. Okay, bye. Ingat. Ingat din. Hindi ka mag-ingat kasi nasa may umuulan kang niebe. Ayan. Let's go guys. Si Mami yung premiering pa rin po. Hindi pa tapos. Salamat sa mga nag-rate din na. George Jackson needs a bicycle. Yeah, I need it too. So I can practice perfect. Hello, Mami Razola, Candy. Good morning. Salamat sa pag-thumbs up. Permission to drop? Okay lang, you can drop anything. Then she can cycle to the shop for McDo. So it's not traffic when I'm gonna use a bicycle, am I right? No more traffic. No more traffic. Where's Sister Tina? Where's Sister Tina? If you're listening, hello. Did I just share to your brother George?
Nach 2 Kilometern nehmen Sie die Ausfahrt 36 Richtung Brückgebirge.
You can use a bicycle every day, and it's already work out already. Exercise. Am I right? It's already exercise. You're fit. Yeah, well, I don't need to worry about the traffic, and I'm going to fit. Oh, I'm gonna be fit. I'm fit. Chubby fit.
Nach 800 Metern nehmen Sie die Ausfahrt 36 Richtung Brückgebirge, dann bleiben Sie links. Nehmen Sie die Ausfahrt 36, dann bleiben Sie links.
I must eat now.
Bleiben Sie links, dann bleiben Sie rechts.
Ouch. Thank you, Be. Bakit
Nach
walang
300
kinay?
Metern